If you both come without reservation and understand that this union is not only a precious bond, but also a powerful commitment, and are willing to accept your partner in their entirety, please take each other's hands and say, "We will."
We will.
The last 5 years have been chaotic, messy, imperfect, challenging, and just incredibly beautiful. You've never let me down when I needed you, and I've needed you often. What it's taught me is that while I want to promise you the world, I can't promise you much. I can't promise you that we'll stop fighting. I can't promise you that I'll always be kind. But I can promise you this. Promise to kiss away every unkind word. I promise to give you back the aux on long drives, sometimes.
Now, Travis, I have to thank you for finally taking her off our hands before Donya got to her first. Good luck.
2 are better than 1 because they have a good reward for their efforts. If 2 lie down together, they can keep warm. But how can one person alone keep warm? A cord of 3 strands is not easily broken. You and Travis held together by the power of God is amazing, and it's unbreakable. You are each other's rock, you're the shoulder to cry on, and I think that's really important.
Hey.
Do you like it?
Yes.
So pretty.
I like it.
Lord, I pray that you bless Travis and Diana with an amazing life. Lord, I pray that you keep them safe always. I pray that you encourage them to be the best versions of themselves and to grow with each other. Thank you so much for my big sister. And in your son's name I pray, amen.
Amen. That was so sweet. Thank you. That was really special.
You're welcome.
Now, the first time I met Travis, I looked him dead in the eyes and I said, "What's your GPA?" He proceeded to say 3.8, and that was the moment I knew that he might have a fighting chance against me and that he might be good enough for my big sister.
Mr. Travis Schroeder, do I have your permission to marry you to Miss Diana Kazemi in Persian language?
Bale.
Miss Diana Kazemi, do I have your permission to marry you to Mr. Travis Schroeder in Persian language?
با اجازه پدر و مادرم بله.
Diana, I am so very proud of the person that you have become, and watching you grow up to the woman in front of me today who married the man that she loves and continues to follow her dreams.
I've been lucky enough to know you guys just about the entire time you've been a couple, and seeing how you guys have brought out the best in one another. It's really beautiful. I hope you continue to do so.
We got a story written in the stars, like tulips in spring.
I promise that even on my darkest days, I'll always keep trying for you. I promise that I'll love you every day for the rest of my life.
It's so clear, you right here. Whoa, we go out together.
Surprise for you.
There's no doubt what we found. We know we go out together.
I promise I'll tell you that all day long, with words, with your favorite dinner waiting, with be carefuls, and with 3 squeezes.
I want a perfect night. You and me.
Thank you for choosing to share your lives with me. I promise in our lives together to choose and fight for you no matter the obstacles we face. I promise to always be on your side and to remember that you're always on mine.
It's so clear, you right here. Whoa.
I promise to share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you every day how deeply I care for you. I I promise to love and care for you for the rest of our lives together. Ashikatam. Asisam.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
But I promise you my best days, my worst days, all of my days, forever.